Hi and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bonnie and I am continuing on with my MSc Meraviglia series. Today we are spending a day in Costa Maya, so my video will be about how to spend a day in Costa Maya. We're visiting the Bacalar area in the Lagoon of Seven Colors. Costa Maya is located on the southern eastern coast of Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, so it's about an hour and a half from Belize and about 3 hours from Cancun. A lot of cruise ships go there: Royal Caribbean, Carnival, Celebrity, and MSC. And this is an up-and-coming destination. The area is filled with dense jungle, Mayan ruins, and natural wonders. And that's what I want to see today. The lagoon just has limitless beauty, and it has 7 colors of blue. It's amazing and worth the drive into the town of Bacalar. And we decided to take the boat tour that stops at cenotes for a short swim, and this also included lunch. So let's go explore. What is it like to spend a day in Costa Maya, not at the port, but actually inwards a bit? If you're new here, my name is Bonnie, and it's nice to meet you. I do all things cruise travels, cruise destinations, and extend your cruise ideas, because sometimes I like to take a trip and extend my trip to other places if I have time. Welcome to Costa Maya. Show up at the theater, you check in downstairs at the desk here, and they give you a number to wear, and it's all according to whatever tour you're on. So we are on, like I said, the Bacalar Fort and Seven Colors Lagoon. There's 3 ships docked at the same place. 2 Royal Caribbean, 1 MSC, that's us right there. We're on our way to our excursion, but someone can't make the walkway, so they have to get a wheelchair.
The downtown right here, we call Mahawa.
This area really reminds me a lot of Cancun. Super jungle-like here. It's the Bacalar Fort. It's from 1700s. We're in the town of Bacalar. I guess there's an admission cost that you go over here to pay, but we're not going to go in because it's not part of our tour. But this is a cute little town. It's sleepy. It seems kind of new and upcoming. There's some vendors, but people are. It's a very mellow town. I like it here. It's nice. Recycled tops.
Yes.
If you're interested in any videos like this, cruise information, cruise destinations, or travel related tips, please subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Wow, this is so pretty. This is a protected area, he was saying, because of the jaguars. This would be a cool place to come on your own. I don't know how you get here, but it is certainly beautiful and serene here. The dock's a little shaky. We're going on to this boat and a tour of the lagoon itself.
Please go ahead right here.
So we're ready to go here. There's 3 little caravans of
They're like little pongas or something. It's a black cenote. I can't really tell the difference, but it's super deep. Oh, I see what he's saying, because see how this water is dark, and then over there it's lighter. Yeah. I wouldn't, yeah. Wow, that's really pretty though. It's too deep. This is a huge cenote compared to what I've seen before, but that's really pretty palm leaves. Oh my gosh. Beautiful.
Where? I see you there.
It's cool. They're beautiful. Water changes from light blue to green, and black.
You're gonna see all the colors over there. How it starts to change, you know? Because between more deep, it's more blue, you know? Right here, it's like the very shadows. Maybe like 3 feet, something like this.
Oh wow.
Right.
People hopped in. They're braver than I am. I just didn't want to be wet, but it looks beautiful. So cenote Esmeralda. Oh! Jumped in. Wow. Getting ready to go in here. Hey, everybody's out there happy. It looks beautiful.
And at the back, coming from the bottle, you know. So sometimes when you're walking around, you're gonna feel different water, you know, like warm water is because coming out, you know. It's not only the one place that can move the water. We have so many places. You walk in, you're gonna feel different. Like cold water, warm water. Yep. Spring water, exactly, something like that. Oh. But other.
That person's just standing up. They're walking its knee length. It's very nice. Another swimming area. This almost looks like a blue lagoon. And they're literally standing in the water. Crazy. It's just so super shallow water. What is this?
I mean, that side is house. Over this side is restaurant.
Hammock in the water. just got off the boat and now we're having lunch. Chicken fajitas, guacamoles and rice. So look at, there's the city. It's only like 8 blocks. It's up. Yeah. So smart. Get a chance. Costa Maya is a pretty cool place. I'm not suggesting here at the port because that's kind of like their version of Mexico, but where I just came from was really an awe experience. I wish I could have stayed a little longer, but it is quite a drive. It's about an hour and a half each way, and then we went on the cruise to the different cenotes, and then we were able to swim and have lunch. So for that, it was worth it, but it was quite a drive to get there. And there's a long walk back to the port. Some people are taking something like that. It's not really readily available. We had one gentleman that had a problem with that. He couldn't walk the distance. So, you know, just check that out. But it was a great tour. I really liked it. We just finished our wonderful trip and I came back to a super cute little dog.
If you're enjoying this video and would like to see more like this, please make sure you subscribe below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. And until next time,